In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly uninstall programs and apps on Windows 11. If you want to free up space or remove that software you no longer use, just follow this step-by-step guide. Let's start with the main method. You're going to click here on the Start button. Now go to this gear icon for settings and click it. Look here in the side menu, you'll find the Apps option. Click on Apps. Now you're going to select this first option, which is Installed Apps. Click on this option. There you go. Here you'll find the list of applications installed on your computer. You can simply scroll through this list to choose the app you want to uninstall, or if you prefer, you can click here in this search field and type the name of the app, okay? I'm going to type here the name of the app I want to uninstall. I typed it and it showed up here. So when you find the app, just click on these three dots next to it and select the uninstall option. I'm going to click. A message will appear saying that everything related to this app will be uninstalled. Click to uninstall, wait a bit, and that's it. I've just uninstalled it, okay? If you clear it and come back here to the list of apps, you won't find the app you uninstalled anymore. Now, if the program you want to remove didn't show up in this list, let's use the control panel now. So I'm going to close this because the control panel can remove any stubborn program, alright? So for that, you're going to click here on this magnifying glass. Here you're going to type control panel. Once you've typed it, it'll show up below. You can click on it. The control panel will open here. In this panel, you're going to click here. Notice that it says Programs, and below that, Uninstall a Program. Click it. Let me zoom in here to show you. Here you have a list of all the applications installed on your computer, and here basically you will choose the application you no longer use and want to uninstall. For example, I'm going to click on it. You right-click on it, and the Uninstall option will appear. Then you click on Uninstall. I hope I helped. If I did, don't forget to help me too. Subscribe to the channel.